I'm gonna show you how to start your Stanley pressure washer. I've had this pressure washer for about 2 years, a little over 2 years. It's a 3,400 PSI and 2.5 gallons per minute. It's a very good pressure washer. Like I said, I've had it over 2.5 years and I haven't had no problems with it. But it's pretty easy to start. And it also has instructions on how to start it. Here on the front side, it has steps 1 through 7. It tells you about connecting everything. And then you go on the other side, it has steps 8 through 12. If I'm gonna zoom in here, you see step 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's really easy, but sometimes it's better to see other people do it. The first thing you want to do is make sure you got your water inlet connected. Then you want to put your high pressure hose connection on and also your fittings. So make sure all your hoses and everything is on and make sure that they're tight. Once you do that, you want to go to your water and go turn your water on. And if you're turning your water on, make sure you turn your water all the way on. You want to backseat it. Make sure you turn it until it stops. Once you got your water on, you want to pick up your hose and you want to press the trigger and you want to depressurize it. Get all the air and a little bit of the water out. The instructions say do it for 30 seconds, but I'm gonna do mine for 5 or 10 seconds. If you want to do it for 30 seconds, go ahead. But only thing you want to do is get the pressure off so it's easier to start to crank this thing. Once you do that, you want to turn your gas on. And if you look at here, it got the on, you push it to the right. That is to make sure the gas is turned on. If it's back this way to the left, the gas is off. You want to push it to the right. Then you want to go turn your red switch to the on position. Then you want to turn your choke on. That position is choke on. Once you do that, you want to pull it to start it. And it'll start struggling to start. As soon as you pull it, you want to turn the choke back off. And that's all to it. And it'll start up. So if it don't do it the first time, you can just turn the choke on and try it again. But that's all to it. So we're going to turn this off. And if you leave this thing off for no more than 5 minutes, you don't have to choke it or anything. So we're going to restart it after 5 minutes. So the only thing you want to do is go to the side and make sure that red switch is in the on position. That's what most people forget to do. Make sure that switch is on the on position. And at the same time, you want to make sure you get all the pressure off the hose. So I'm going to turn it to the on position. And my gas is in the on. My choke is off. And just pull it. And it should start. You may have to pull it a couple of times. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching. Welding and stuff.